3-week review of Penis Enlargement Bible. If you've seen our other videos, you can surmise that we know a little about how to make your penis bigger. Since there's so much misleading info out there on this subject, our goal is to let you know what works and what doesn't. Now I am going to give it a shot and tell you what I think of the Penis Enlargement Bible system. We were given access to this guide free of charge for our review. No monetary compensation was received for presenting this video. All statements are our own and are based on the opinions of the author. We may earn a commission if this item is purchased choosing the links that we provide. Doing so helps keeps the reviews coming. Basic Penis Enlargement Bible info. The Enlargement Bible is a program designed to stimulate natural penis growth. It supposedly works over a period of time using specific dietary supplements and targeted exercise. With this guide, they say that you can build more length and girth in 6 to 8 weeks, sometimes sooner. The basis of this system is a guide in the form of an 83-page ebook that's accessed online. I found that this guide not only explains how to make your penis bigger, but has some other great things to offer, such as how to maintain harder erections, how to end premature ejaculation, how to increase ejaculation volume, and how some supplements can help you in other ways. Potential benefits: more penis girth, more penis length, harder and fuller erections, ejaculation control, higher ejaculation volume, improved sexual health, improved health overall. Optional videos. Within the last year or so they've added the option to access 30 instructional videos showing you how to do the penis exercises. These videos are not required to use the system. Is this a scam? I don't think that the Enlargement Bible is a scam because it's so well thought out and the method has been somewhat validated by many who claim to have used it. It's also sold through ClickBank, which, in our opinion, is a reputable company. They've been around for years and their marketplace has self-help and how-to guides on just about anything you can think of. Starting the Penis Enlargement Bible program. When I heard about the Penis Enlargement Bible a few years ago, I figured that it was probably just another bogus deal that wouldn't deliver. But now I can see that it's a serious system that can bring real results. The first thing that I did was to read the entire manual front to back. Two noteworthy aspects to the Penis Enlargement Bible ebook are that it seems well written and fairly concise. Each chapter covers an entire topic like penis growth or premature ejaculation, and the author, John Collins, explains things intelligently and without a lot of wordiness. What's unique about this program is that they instruct you on two different areas, chemical and physical. The chemical part is where you're instructed on which supplements are needed to stimulate growth. The physical part involves a few specialized exercises that when used with the supplements help maximize your penis size. I found the whole program to be 100% usable and unique. I recommend reading the chapter on penis enlargement twice, maybe 3 times. This is because it was a little confusing at first, but after reading it again I was able to get my head around what was needed for penis growth. Page 20 explains what supplements you should take and page 81 lists them again in a table. All the tables in the last part of the book are for your reference and the author makes clear what each is for, that is enlargement, erections, etc. One thing that I realized is that you can get most of the required supplements by taking a single HGH releaser such as Genf 20+. This supplement has all kinds of amino acids in it which should work just as well as taking individual products. The last guy who reviewed this system for us bought each of the supplements. You can find this stuff on Amazon at a good price. For simplicity's sake, I chose to go with Genf 20+. The exercises. Contrary to what a lot of people think, the exercises are a critical part to this system. Without them you won't get results. You simply cannot take a few supplements, sit on your ass, and expect your penis to grow. Not going to happen. That said, the penis exercise routines are fairly easy stretching and massage type movements that any healthy man can do. After 3 weeks, due to time constraints, we ended this review after a 3-week period. To get the most from it, the author recommends 6 to 8 weeks. Even so, There were some noticeable results after our shortened test period. Merely sticking with the plan as laid out by Penis Enlargement Bible and giving it only 3 weeks has made me a believer. In the end there appeared to be an increase in length and girth when flaccid and warmed up, particularly after doing the exercises. Also, the erections looked larger, and I would say that erect length increased at least 0.25 inches. Achievements: big erections, more thickness and length. Penis hangs longer after doing the exercises. Improved sex drive and performance. Penis Enlargement Bible side effects. During the time taking the supplements and doing the exercises we didn't experience any negative side effects. Final notes: as far as we can tell, there should be no need to cement your gains as with penis pumping or extending. Whatever growth you experience should be permanent, just as Mr. Collins claims. I feel that the Penis Enlargement Bible is a remarkable program that can produce permanent penis growth. It's simple, straightforward, and isn't overly expensive as compared to other methods. The videos do cost extra, but it might be worth it if you have trouble with the penis exercises or learn better by seeing someone else do things. There are a total of 30 clips that cover all the most important routines needed to make your penis bigger. Expect decent quality and instruction that is tastefully presented. Lastly, I think it would be a great idea if they put the entire guide into a video or a series of videos, but at this point it's only the penis workouts. Click the link below to finally have the penis size you deserve.